you like to go with me? Would you fly with me?
Hi, my name is Talise. Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. Today I'm going to be doing my straight to curly hair routine. I got my hair straightened last week. It's been about a week, a little bit over a week. And I am going to be starting with this organic coconut hot oil hair mask as my pre-poo, which is a pre-shampoo, which you can use to help you detangle, moisturize before you use the shampoo, because shampoos can be very drying. The shampoo that I'm going to use is this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. And after that, I'm going to be deep conditioning with this packet of the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Mafura and baobab oils. Does it have that too? Yes, this has that too. I got all of these things from Ulta. They're actually having a sale right now. It's buy one, get one 50% off all Shea Moisture products. So that was exciting. Okay, so I'm starting with this organic coconut hot oil hair mask by Tropica. It's with biotin and hair superfoods, and it says it gives you stronger, thicker, lustrous hair. So I have to microwave this for 20 seconds, and then I will be back to start the hot oil treatment. Okay, so I just microwaved this packet. I'm about to cut it open and apply it to my hair. Oh, but first I'm going to section my hair into 2 sections. Okay. I got a trim while I was getting my hair done, so it's a little shorter. We'll see what the curls are looking like. Okay. So it says that I should cut it. It's got a nice little scissor line on it, so that's nice. This packet was, I think, $4 at Ulta, which is not that expensive. I have used this before. Okay, that did not work. I have used this before and I really liked it, so I assume that my results will be the same. Okay, this is not working. This is a line with this. Okay. Okay, that scissor line was like not helpful at all. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour it in my hand. It's very liquidy. I can't even show it to you because it's so liquidy. But I'm gonna be putting it directly onto my hair. I'm gonna try to do about half on each side if possible. I'm spilling it. See how liquidy it is. I'm also going to be massaging my scalp as I do this. Be sure not to use your nails because that could aggravate your scalp. So really just use the tips of your fingers.
I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe, searching for you, babe. Where have you been? 'Cause I never see you out. Are you hiding from?
Actually, I'm going to just take the other side down too and just add the rest kind of to both sides, because I actually still have a decent amount left. going to put my hair up into a ponytail, and I'm going to put it all under a plastic cap to kind of trap this moisture in for maybe an hour or so before I shampoo. This hot oil treatment is definitely very messy, so definitely be careful with it. Like I said, I'm going to be shampooing with this Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo, and the Hydrate and Repair Power Protein Treatment is going to be my deep conditioner. I'll be back after my shower, after I shampoo and deep condition, and I'll show you guys my results. Hi, I'm back. So this is what my hair is looking like after I shampooed and deep conditioned. I had never used this shampoo before. I really liked it. It was really moisturizing. It did not feel stripping at all. Like, my hair didn't feel dry. My hair felt really soft when I rinsed it out. I was even able
That's all, folks.
I was even able to detangle a little bit while I was using the shampoo, which is kind of unheard of. It's kind of crazy. As for the deep conditioner, here's the packet. It's empty now. But as for the deep conditioner, I liked it. I've used it before. I thought my hair felt super moisturized when I was rinsing it out. It felt really good. It's looking a little crazy now, but it still has some definition, and it just doesn't have any product in it right now. So that's why it's looking crazy. I wouldn't blame this. This was really good. I don't see any heat damage, just some frizz, and I'm really excited to be back curly. Please check out my next video. It's gonna be my wash and go.
Where have you been? 'Cause I never see you out.
Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.